Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Just wanted to show you that I'm meal prepping for about 3 days for work. And then I'll prep for the other couple of days. The only thing I don't prep for many days is usually my yogurt in the mornings, but I always have my bag packed with some bran, nuts and seeds, my vitamins, my granola, and that's it. And then I always add my fruit after. So I've prepped 3 beautiful salads with lots of veggies and leafy greens. Okay, and you can see they're in chunks still because then I will cut them up so they don't get mushy. I made my rosemary thyme sweet potatoes that I'm going to enjoy also for lunch because I eat my heavier carbs at lunch. I have tofu that I already made and I posted that recipe. And I have some edamames that I'm going to also sprinkle on with some feta cheese. I made my own balsamic dressing, which is at work already. And then for my fruit snack, I have strawberries and some oranges. And if I get hungry sometimes in the afternoon, I just grab some cucumbers. So meal prep is important. Oh, and I took out my chili, Risa Weiner YouTube, for tomorrow night and for Tuesday night. So I have that already. I also have steamed veggies already in my fridge for dinner as well for tonight and tomorrow night. My husband's going to be making me one of my burgers that I posted last week. So again, being organized, having things ready, having things prepared, grocery shopping is key to losing lots of weight. But remember, consistency over perfection. All right? Okay, I hope this helps you guys on your wellness and weight loss journey as well.